This video is all about my 3 favorite nail glues. Hey girl, hey, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Raven and I'm a fashion stylist and content creator. But on my channel, I talk about fashion, press-on nails, beauty, and a little bit of lifestyle. I constantly get asked what nail glue I use, so I decided to do this video to show you my 3 favorite ones. You will find out which ones last the least amount of time, which ones last the longest time, and all of the pros and cons of each. And FYI, I saved my favorite for last. I'll be sure to link everything in the description box below. With all that being said, let's get into these glues. First up is the Makartt nail glue, and it is $9 for a set of 10. When I tell you for years, this was my go-to nail glue. It was so good. It was easy on the nails. Love her down, honey. She will always be the OG. The good thing about this glue is that it won't destroy your nails, which I love. Like if one pops off, it doesn't hurt. It won't just rip off basically like 3 layers of your nail bed, honey. Since they are a little bit gentler on your nails, they soak off a lot faster than some of the other nail glues that I have. Another pro about this glue is it's so small, you can just drop it in any size bag that you may have just in case you gotta glue on another nail, honey, okay? The cons of this is it's not clog proof, so they will clog the more you use it and the more glue gets in the tip. 2, with that, the cap sometimes gets glued on as well to where you cannot take it off, honey, and you just got to open up a new one. But they're so cheap that it's okay. Okay, you can have about 5, 6 of them open if you want to. Another con is because this nail glue isn't the strongest of nail glues, you can pop off a nail and not find that nail because you won't realize that you popped off a nail until about 3 hours later. It's happened to me. I've been like, well, when did that come off? We love you, but it happens. And with that, the longevity for this, even with prep, is usually like a nail could pop off like within 2 or 3 days. It still happens. There's other nails that stay on the whole time. But I have more nails pop off with this glue than the other ones, sadly. Next up is the SuperStrong NailBond, and it is $13. I love this glue down. First of all, the best thing about it is that it's a brush-on glue, okay? You can get it exactly where you want to get it. You don't have to worry about it spilling over. Now, if you put too much on, you're going to put too much on, and it's going to spill out on the sides, but this one rarely does that. It doesn't come off the tube all reckless or anything like that. This one you have the most control over. Now, they do have a brush on Makartt, but I have not tried that. So, this works. When it comes to this one, if you prep your nails properly, the nails will stay on for about a week. Now, I'm very rough with my nails. I do a lot of things. I talk with my hands. I'm doing all the things with my fingernails, okay? Washing the dishes, no gloves, because what gloves are fitting on top of these? I got very large hands and very long nails. It ain't happening, okay? So, I'm constantly doing things. For me, it's about a week. Now, when I'm ready to change my set, I'm totally fine with that because if I don't want to keep it on for too long, this is the glue that I go with because it's easy peasy. I just used this for another set that I was using. Pop the nails right off. Okay? Another pro. Just like the Makartt, this is not going to hurt your nails as much as the next one. This one, pop, 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 pop. I don't recommend you take your nails off like that, okay? Don't do what I do, do what I say, okay? You can soak them off a lot easier with this nail glue as well. It takes a lot less time. Love her down. So much so, I had this on like instant delivery or whatever it's called on Amazon where it would just come into my house. So I have about like at least 4 bottles of this at my house right now. Again, this is perfect if I don't want to keep my nails on for too long. But for the most part, most of my nails will stay on. If I prep them properly, they can stay on for up to 2 weeks. But I will have some that will pop off. Also, another pro with the brush is it's a lot easier for me when I use my non-dominant hand. I am right-handed, so when I use my left hand to get the glue where it needs to go versus trying to use that little tip and then, child, now the glue is everywhere. The con of this, the cap, just like the other one, can get stuck. I've had them. I got to get the pliers out. I got to okay? Because the glue is in there. It's in the cap and it has glued itself. This is some strong glue. The other con is it is on the pricier side for the amount of glue that you get. Okay, $13 for some nail glue, especially if it's not nail glue that's like the gel nail glue or nail glue that's going to keep your nails on for like 3-4 weeks. It's a little pricier, but I still love her down. And lastly is the Beauty Secrets nail glue from Sally Beauty, and this one is $7. The pros of this glue is the cost. Okay, the amount of glue that you're getting for $7, I think that's basically double that brush one. Okay, you get a lot of glue up in here. Okay, and the longevity is super long. In the video that I reviewed this in, I talk about how long the nails stayed on for. I did not prep them any kind of like extra way as far as like drilling the inside and drilling my nails. So one of the nails came off, I think at like the 7-day mark, and then the second one came off at the 10-day mark. And I was okay with that because I was like, I've been doing a whole lot with these nails, okay? But everything else stayed on. And once I reapplied them, I was fine. Now, if I prep my nails, sanding them, filing them, whatever, this gonna stay on for about 3 weeks, okay? I may have 1 or 2 fall off within that 3-week time frame, but they gonna be on there, okay? And still not ready to come off at 3 weeks. This... If you want your nails to feel like they done growed out your fingers, this is the glue. Because once it's on, it is going nowhere. Another pro is that this thing is going to last long because of the amount of glue that's in here. Very long time. Okay? That this one of these things is going to last you. You can probably, if you change your nails, depending on how long you leave your nails on, even if you change them every 3 weeks, this thing is going to last you over a year. So now for the cons, okay? The cap can get stuck because I had that happen on another one of these glues. The cap got stuck. I couldn't get it off. It was ridiculous because this is some strong glue, honey, okay? So what you can do in that instance is take it off from like the bottom part where the plastic adheres to the metal tube and just switch them out. Okay? Because there was a lot of glue still left up in that tube, honey, okay? Another con is that the nails last so long, okay? Because I like to change up my nails. So lasting 3 weeks is great. But when the rhinestones start falling off or whatever the case may be, it's time to change up the nails. And when I tell you, this thing takes forever to soak off. Forever. Because them nails is on there, honey. They're not going nowhere. These nails is tight. It takes so long. But the girl that put us onto this nail glue, she has now found a nail remover. I think it is Beetles. So I'll put that in the description box as well. And that helps to lift this off pretty quickly, way quicker than it does for soaking. Because when I tell you, I be sitting there for like 30, 40, 50, 60, 80 minutes just waiting for one nail to pop off, honey, okay? And I ended up taking off the top layer of my nail. That's the downside to this. When your nail pop off, that ish hurts, okay? It is so excruciating trying to take a nail off or anything. Because once it's on, it's on. It is now a part of your body, okay? These nails are attached to your body if you use this. So when you trying to take it off, it ain't going nowhere, okay? But I still love her down. She's still my favorite. She's still my go-to. But I'm going to get that nail remover and it's going to be so much easier and so much better. Also, because it is so strong, if you hit your nail, if you do any of that stuff, your nail ain't going nowhere. Okay? But your finger is in pain. Okay? So, try this at your own risk. Now, if you want the nails to stay on, they will. But just know, it's some downfalls to using this glue. That is it, girl. That is my 3 favorite nail glues. Depending on how long you want to keep your nails on, there's a nail glue for you. And again, I'll be sure to link all 3 nail glues and the nail glue remover that I mentioned in the description box below. Since you made it this far, you might as well join the tribe of baddies on a budget, honey, and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you're the first to be notified every time I post a new video. And you might as well follow me on IG and TikTok. Until next time, girl, watch this video. Those pics specifically for you.